we will interview now our electrician on board. So why you choose seaman? Why you choose seaman?
Because in land the job is not good, and also salary is too much different.
So much different.
Yeah, so I can survive in the seaman area, so I fight.
Yeah. But his salary here in ship, if he go home to Myanmar, is very big. I think you convert to million. Yeah. His money is million. So, in your own idea, seaman is good?
Actually, I know like only I fight the money. So
Only the money, ah?
Yeah, I never think I will be because
Yeah.
since long time ago I never thought like this.
So, 10 years from now, Liki is still working on board? Still working on ship or already on land base?
So I started 2019. So before I work in land, I work in this saver, how to say this construction.
Construction company? Wow.
I'm the project engineer as an electrician. I work in there, but salary is too much different. So at that time I got around how much? Around 500 or 700.
Ah, okay. So, my question is, what is the best part of being a seaman?
But also is the money.
Only money, ah?
Everybody-
Money.
Yeah, everybody is work for money. Nobody like this job. I think a few, but I think a few people like this job. But for me, I'm sure I don't like this job. If I can collect and I can afford whatever I want, land or this entertainment, everything. If I think I certified, I will stop.
So, this electrician is your graduate from electrical engineer in Myanmar, university in Myanmar.
Yes, I got degree. I got a bachelor on electrical.
5 years?
5 years.
You study 5 years, ah?
I study 5 years.
I interview.
university, and I get this bachelor of engineering in 2014. After that, I start job 2016 in land construction. After 2019, I changed my career as a seaman.
So, what is your advice to future seaman, future electrician, or maybe future seaman, marine engineer, or marine transportation? What's your advice?
What I want to advise is if you become an electrical engineer, you can work in land. Also, you can work in shore job
Wow.
like land. But the best thing, if you want to finish your contract early, better you try the seaman life. Because seaman life, you can get money so much, and after that you can quit your this job very early time because salary is very good. So I want to advise. If you are working in land, maybe you will be work in 15 years, 20 years. But in seaman life, I think at least 10 years is enough for you. It depends on that.
So, Liki, what's your plan? When will you stop working as seaman on ship?
My plan.
To stop working? What
working,
age?
Around 50.
50?
Yeah.
Very long time, ah?
Mm.
Too much money also, Liki.
That time, my daughter, I have now one daughter.
Yeah.
At that time,
She's already,
around 16 years old. So
you can provide financially for her study.
yes.
So, Liki have a 2-year-old daughter now. So, he's a responsible father in Myanmar and a responsible citizen. He give tax also to Myanmar.
Yes.
Even if sometimes we have politics problem, but still you are working hard for your country.
Yes.
You give tax, you spend money to your country, but it's okay.
I don't have fight. Actually, I don't give for my country. I only give for my family. But
For your family.
Their policy, my government policy, I cannot fight.
So that's my interview for today's video. So thank you so much, Liki, and say hi to your viewers.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching.